Then find the values of P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 0, P of 2, P of minus 2. So here the given question is guys, if P of t equals to t cube minus 1. So here what you do is just replace the values instead of t, place those 1, 2, 1 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2 values, okay. So then you will be getting the values for this given one. So here this is the given question where P of t, so let me write down the equation over here firstly. Solution. So what's the given equation over here? Well, here they have given that P of t equals to t cube minus 1. Okay? T cube minus 1. Now what you do? Here they asked to find the values of P of 1. First let's find the values of P of 1. So what you do is instead of t, okay? Instead of t, place these given values. Means here this becomes, if I'm going to find this value. Okay? First let's find this value. So then to find that value, what do you do? Well, instead of placing t, just place 1, okay, where P of 1 equals to, so here I have considered t value as 1, right? So then this becomes what? 1 cube minus 1, where 1 into 1 into 1, 1 as it is, as we know, where 1 minus 1, this is 0, okay, where this gives 0. So here I can say that P of 1 value is 0. Okay, that's what goes on. Now let me go for the second one. We have done with the first one and the second one. So it will be going like this, guys. So this is what we will be solving. So now next one you have instead of t I have taken minus 1. So here what happens? Well, minus 1 cube minus 1. So here minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1. This gives minus 2. Clear? Now the next one will P of 0 equals to 0 cube minus 1, this gives minus 1. Okay, and what is next? P of 2, which is equal to 2 cube. How much? 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8, where 2 cube is 8. Okay, where 2 cube minus 1 means 8 minus 1, this is equals to 8 minus 1, 7. Clear? 8 minus 1, 7. Now let's go for the next one where P of 2, P of minus 2, which is equals to minus 2 cube minus 1. Is it clear? Wait a minute. So this is equal to minus 2 cube minus 1, which is equal to minus 2 cube, guys. It means minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8. So minus 8 minus 1, which is equals to minus 9. Minus 10. Okay, these are the values that we got. These are the values that we got from this given question. Okay? Clear? Is it okay? Very good. Now let's go for the next question, guys. Here check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of polynomials where x power 4 minus 6. Let me write down the question firstly. Let us write down the question over here. So here the second question. Let it be the second question. Check whether check whether 2 comma minus 2 or minus 2 and 2 are zeros of polynomial where here they have given where x power 4 minus 16. So we must take it firstly, guys. Here they have given check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of polynomial. Means zeros of polynomial means if we equate something with a number, then the value should become 0. Okay, we must get 0 value. So this is nothing but the zeros of polynomial. Well, solution, coming back to the solution, I hope you are getting it. Well, check whether so this. Now what you do is, guys, they already have given that where x power 4 minus 16, right? X power 4 minus 16. So consider that where x power 4 minus 16. Now what you do is placing x. Okay, in the place of x, what you do is place minus 2 and 2. Okay, by placing these both values, equate it. So this becomes what? Where x power 4 means minus 2 power 4 minus 16. Clear? Hope you understand. Means instead of x, I just placed the minus 2. That's all. Okay, I haven't done any changes over here. Instead of x, place minus 2. So this becomes what? Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2. Minus 8. Minus 8 into minus 2 minus 16. Right? Minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16. So plus 16 minus 16. Where plus minus gets cancelled, right? So then it would be 0. Clear? This is what happens. Now let's go for the second one. Where 2 power 4 minus 16. 2 power 4, 2 is 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, right? So then 16 minus 16 which is equals to 0. When here plus 16 minus 16 gets cancelled and here we are getting 0. So therefore we can say, minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of polynomial. Clear? Clear? Let me explain it once again. Question. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the coefficient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Then find g of x. Okay. So this is a given question, guys. Firstly, we know a formula according to this. We know a formula solution to solve the given question. What we do is, we know a formula, right? We know that p of x equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x, right? We know this formula. We know this formula where p of x equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x, right? So we know this. Now what you do is, guys, they already have given p of x value, so that this will be p of x value. Okay, this will be the p of x value. Okay, and what else? Coefficient. So coefficient value will be this, remainder value will be this. Okay, so this will be q of x value and this will be r of x. Okay, that will be r of x value. Okay, so they have given three values and they are asking to find the g of x value. They haven't given the g of x value. No, they are asking to find this g of x value. So to find this, what do we do is, firstly, guys, here where p of x, right? P of x. Now just transpose this r of x to the other side. Okay, first step will be this. Transpose this r of x to the other side. This becomes what? Here plus r of x. If you transpose to the other side, if you transfer it to the other side, this becomes what? Minus r of x. Okay, where g of x into q of x, as it is. Okay, now catch this, place it on the other side. So here the positive sign turns into negatives. Now clear with this. Now what you do is just substitute here where here. Try to substitute those values. We have p of x values, right? So I would like to write over here that p of x values is what? Where x cube minus 3x square plus x. What I do? Okay, before going to this, I will be getting this. So here what you do is, again, transfer this q of x to the other side. Okay. Now what you do? Transfer this q of x to the other side. This becomes what? P of x minus r of x by q of x. This is equal to g of x. Then we got it. We got it, right? So you can also do like this. Firstly, you have transpose this, right? You can find out this value, and again you can transpose this, and then you will be dividing it. But you can also write in this way. So here I have taken this. Now here you just substitute the values. Where we got all these three values, right? We know p of x value, we know r of x value, and we know q of x value. Firstly, find p of x minus r of x values. Okay. Firstly, find p of x minus r of x values. What do I do is just write down the formula over here. So we got this, right? Where p of x minus what else? R of x by r of x by q of x, which is equals to g of x. P of x minus r of x by q q of x, which is equals to g of x. Right? So just take place that formula over there. Now what you do is substitute those values in that one, in the given one. You substitute the values in that given one. Now here p of x value is what? Look over here, we got this value, okay, where p of x value they already have given, they already have mentioned it, where p of x value is x cube. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, right? So this is the p of x value. Next minus r of x. So minus r of x value, okay, minus 2. So minus 2x plus 4. What do you do? Okay, so by some value q of x, where q of x value is x minus 2. First find out this, okay, just simplify it, okay, we can either simplify it. Now what you do is x cube minus 3x square as it is. So here you have pluses. Before going to this, minus into minus plus, right? So plus x plus 2 minus into minus plus, so plus 2x minus into plus minus 4. Okay, clear till here. Now what you do? What you do is just take, now what you do for some time, keep this minus x minus 2 aside, okay, we will be adding it later, just keep it aside. Then what happens here, solve only this equation, solve only this given one. Now here we got what? Plus x, you have plus 2x. Now if I write it further, this becomes x cube minus 3x square minus 3x square plus x plus 2x plus 3x, and what else? Minus 4 plus 2, this becomes what? Minus 2. Okay, we have done with this. Now what to do? Add this x minus 2. Okay, it's nothing but it's a common thing, okay? So it's a common thing, you can add either here. Just I have kept aside for some time, and now what you do? We have minus x minus 2, okay, x minus 2. Now what you do? Divide it. So divide it, x minus 2 by x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 2 by x minus 2. Okay, now what you do? Divide this. So we have got this. Now if we divide this both, okay, if we make a division among this, so if we divide this both, we will be getting a coefficient, okay, we will be getting a coefficient. So this coefficient is nothing but g of x, okay, we will be getting a quotient. So this quotient is nothing but the g of x, so x minus 2 and x cube given here, where 3x square plus 3x minus 2 plus 3x minus 2. So what you do? Now here we are done with this. Now what you do? Just divide it. Now we will be getting a quotient. So the quotient will be g of x. So what you do here? Just consider the first element, okay, first element. So here you have x cube. So if we add x square, where x square into x square into x gives x cube. Okay, x cube. Clear? X square into x cube. Now what does x square into minus 2? Minus plus into minus minus 1. So minus 2x square. Where here you have minus, so consider here as plus. Okay, we have plus over here. So plus minus into plus minus. Okay, again minus into minus. Here you have minus, right? So minus into minus plus, like that. Now plus minus gets cancelled, you have plus. Don't consider the upper sign, consider the lower sign. This becomes what? 3 minus 2 minus x square. So just take this 3x down, so catch it and keep it down. 3x down, this becomes plus 3x. Now here, consider the first element. By adding which number, it becomes minus x square. If I add x minus x, then it becomes minus x square, means minus into plus minus. So minus x square minus x into minus 2 plus 2x. Clear? Is this the one? Right? Are you getting it? So minus into minus plus over here, minus into plus minus over here. Okay? Where this get cancelled? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So x as it is. Now bring this minus 2 over here, add plus 1. So where 1 into x 1 into minus 1, well, plus into minus minus. So 1 into minus 2, this gives minus 2. So here, this gets cancelled and we will be getting 0. So 0 will be the remainder in this case. Clear? So therefore I can say therefore g of x. So g of x I got is what? X square minus x plus 1 will be the g of x for this given question. Clear guys? So firstly we know the formula where p of x equals to g of x. P of x equals g of x into q of x plus r of x, right? We know this formula. So now we need to find g of x. So here we have taken this r of x to the other side. This becomes minus. So what have we done? We have just taken all the values to the other side to equate g of x. So this is the formula. So now they have already given these three values. They have given p of x value, they have given q of x value and r of x value, means remainder value they have given. So they have given all those values. Now what you know, substitute the values in this given one. Now try to solve it. Now at last we got what? We got this value and this value. Now we have divided it. So after the whole division, we have got a coefficient, so the coefficient value will be the g of x value. Clear? So this is what we have solved the next question. Here we have the next one. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha, beta given in each case. So 2, minus 1 and root 3, minus root 3. So here guys we must find the quadratic polynomials of the zeros of alpha and beta in the given numbers. So here the given two numbers, two examples are here. 2, minus 1, root 3, minus root 3. First let's solve 2, minus 1 and then we will be getting into that. Now here guys, the solution how it starts is find the quadratic polynomial. So we must find the zeros of quadratic polynomial by using this alpha and beta. So actually we know quadratic polynomial will be in a form of what? Ax square plus bx plus c, right? So this is in the form of this quadratic polynomial will be in the form of this form, where x square plus bx plus c. Now what you do is here to find this type of questions we will be using a formula. We know a formula where x square. We know a formula, right? So formula is about x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Okay, by using this formula we will be solving the given sum. First let's take 2, minus 2. Okay, now what to do is guys, consider 2 as alpha and minus 1 as beta. Okay, just consider minus 1 as beta. Now here what to do is just substitute these values in this given one. Okay, where we know alpha value is 2, so substitute 2 over here, just write down 2 over here. Beta value we know it is minus 1, so write down minus 1 over here, again 2 into minus 1. That's what happens. Okay, now just write it out like here, where x square as it is, x square minus where alpha, so alpha plus beta, where 2 plus, here you have where beta value is minus 1, right? So minus x plus what else? Alpha into beta means 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1. Clear? Hope you got it. Now what you do is x square. Now where minus 2 as it is, here have minus into plus or plus, minus into plus minus. So minus 1 x as it is. Okay. Now what you do is here you have 2 into minus 1, where minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus into minus 2, so minus 2. This becomes minus 2. Clear? Now what happens? Where x square minus 2 minus 1, this gives what? Minus 3x minus 2, which is equal to 0. Okay, so this is what we got at last. So here I can say therefore the quadratic polynomial of the zeros of 2, minus 1 will be this. Clear? Now let me go for the second one. Here you have root 3, minus root 3. Just write it out. Root 3, minus root. Okay. square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Okay, this is the formula that we have used previously for to solve the given question. Now here let's solve this, where consider alpha, where alpha value will be in the given second question, the alpha value will be root 3, and beta value, let's consider beta value as minus root 3. Clear? Now let us right now substitute the values as we know, where x square minus what is alpha in this given one? Alpha is root 3, so root 3, okay, and plus beta is minus root 3, so minus root 3, minus root 3 plus what is alpha into beta? Alpha means what? Root 3. Root 3, alpha means root 3. So beta minus root. Okay. So into multiplication which goes on. Now here clear with this? Clear with this? And what to do is just try to solve it more further more. Now this becomes minus root 3 like this, okay, as it is. Now here we plus into minus, this gives minus root 3. Clear? X over here, sorry, x, we know formula, according to the formula we will be getting x. So here x plus, here what happens, where, okay guys, so see here, where minus into plus, minus, okay, minus into plus, minus, again minus into plus, this symbol, consider this symbol, here you have minus into plus, minus, again minus into plus, minus, so here I can place minus over here, okay, where root 3 into root 3, this becomes root 3 whole square, root 3 whole square, I am explaining it again, so here you have, okay, minus into plus, minus, okay, just look after the sign firstly, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus, so here I have placed the minus. Now what happens here, can multiply by root 3 into root 3 gives root 3 whole square, so here where what happens, then square root gets cancelled, thus I will get remained with 3, that's all. Now what happens, where x square minus into, where root 3 minus root 3 minus root 3x minus 3. Clear? Now what happens here, where just you have plus root 3, you don't have any symbol over here, so plus root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled, this becomes what? X square minus 0x minus 3. Clear? Where 0x means it's nothing, so here we can consider where x square minus 3 which is equal to 0. Okay, this is what happens. So this is what our sum ends. Okay, so these are the quadratic polynomial for the zeros. So by using this alpha and beta, we can find the zeros of polynomial in this way. The next question: divide the polynomial p of x equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and g of x equals to x square minus 2. Now find the coefficient. So here they asked to divide the polynomial with this, with that. They asked to divide the polynomial p of x and p of x with g of x and find the coefficient. So we must find the coefficient. So they already have given the values, where p of x value. So let us divide this. Okay. So try to divide it. So here, where they asked to divide it with where g of x value is what? X square. G of x value is what? G of x value already given what? X square minus 2, right? And what is p of x value? X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Okay, now let us try to divide it. Okay, now let's find the coefficient with this for this given one. Now consider the first element, guys. As you know, consider the first element. If I place x, okay, where x into x square gives x cube, right? So here that's what I'm adding x cube over here. Okay, x into x square, x cube. Again x into minus 2 divisions. Okay, over here x into minus 2 plus into minus minus. So here you have minus 2x, it becomes minus 2x. Here I have minus 3x square I have. So here I have minus plus 5x. So here I would like to add minus 2x. Because x, right? Here I have x square, so I can't add it. Okay, it won't go. So that's what I have added over here. Means x. So minus 2x. So this becomes what? Just subtract over here. Then here you have positive sign, this becomes negative. This becomes negative sign, and this becomes what? Positive. Right? And as it is, when this gets cancelled, and here how as it is minus 3x square, as it is minus 3x square, and what else? Here 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7, so this becomes plus 7x. Clear? Now try to Take, now what you do is transpose minus 3 down. Over here, just take this down, not transposing, take this down, catch it and keep it over here. So you have what? Minus 3, okay, minus 3. Then what you do? Add minus 3 over here. When minus 3 into x square, minus 3x square, right? So that's what I have added minus 3 over here. Clear? Clear? So minus 3x square. Minus 3x square. So minus 3 into minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2. Plus 3 to 6. So plus 6. Clear? Plus 6. Now here you have subtraction between these both. Then if it is subtraction, then minus into minus, here you have plus, you will be getting plus sign. And minus into plus, this becomes what? Minus. It will be getting minus. So as it is plus 7x, this gets cancelled. You have 7x means plus 7x. And minus 3 minus 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So minus 9 over here. This will be the remainder and this will be what? Quotient. This will be the, so therefore the quotient is what we got? X minus. Clear? Therefore the quotient is what? X minus 3. Sorry. Okay, this is what we have done with this.